So 200 people see the movie. These are the two different rates that they pay. Total money collected is $1,135. So we're going to apply the Chapter 4 strategy, 2 equations, 2 unknowns. I'm going to say A, adults went, and K, kids. So A, adults, and K, kids. One thing you'll notice, I've watched a lot of online videos of these kind of problems, and typically they'll have X and Y. They'll use X and Y all the time. I like to just use an abbreviation for it instead of X and Y, because then it's way less confusing. I can't tell you how many times I've seen a student go through the whole problem perfectly, and then at the very end they mix up their X and their Y. They forgot which one was which, and they'll have the answer switched. So just go ahead and use the front letter, okay? It just makes it a lot easier, and less room for confusion. All right. So we need to have a total equation. That's the first one. That's the easy one. What is A plus K? Number of adults plus number of kids equals how much?
200.
200, right? And then we have to have a money equation. Well, every adult paid $6.50. Every kid paid $5. So $6.50 times the number of adults plus $5 times the number of kids equals this $11.35. So there, I've got 2 unknowns, but it's okay because I have 2 equations. Now I'm going to go through and solve by elimination. I want to multiply the top one by -5, and I'm going to write it right down here underneath. And that gives me -5a minus 5k equals -1,000. So if I multiply the whole top equation by -5, I get this. And my next step, I'm going to add these 2 equations. Add those 2 equations, and that is going to eliminate k. So I get 6.5 minus 5 is going to be 1.5, or 1.5a. The k's get eliminated, and 1135 minus 1,000 is just 135. All I got to do is divide through by 1.5. And we all got calculators now, but I'm lazy, so I'm going to multiply the top and bottom by 2. And that's 270 over 3, which is a lot easier to divide, and I get 90. So that means there was 90 adults that went to go see the movie, but does that answer the question? No, the question is how many kids went. So I got to go back up here. 90 adults plus how many kids equals 200 people? Well, 90 plus 110 is going to be 200. So the answer to the question is 110. 110 kids went to see the movie along with 90 adults. But there's the answer to the main question. All right, questions on that?